Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, School Morning Assembly Anchoring Script. And this script is prepared according to the items given in a comment I received few days back. Not having the best situation, but seeing the best in your situation is the key to happiness. Let's change our perspective around the situation and train our mind to see the good in every situation. And with these inspirational lines, scintillating morning to each and everyone present here. I am Muskan, star of Class 10th A Galaxy, standing on the dais to present today's morning assembly. The power of thinking positively is remarkable. If we think positive, then automatically positive vibes start attracting us. Let's replace our negative thoughts with positive affirmations and also gain positivity by having positive people around us and by listening motivational thoughts too. And it's time for today's thought. I would request to Rudra to present thought of the day. Good morning everyone. My name is Rudra. Thought of the day is life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you very much, Rudra. There's the phrase knowledge is power. The more we know, the more power we have over our own life. Reading the news transforms us into some well educated global citizen. But in the hustle bustle of life, we don't get time to read the newspaper. Why to wait? Let's get know today's news. For this, I would like to invite Mahi. Thank you very much, Mahi, for today's news update. Dear friends, general knowledge is knowledge of a wide range of interesting facts of different subjects. General knowledge of facts boost our confidence. Let's we explore our knowledge through amazing facts. Here is Om going to share few amazing facts related to science. Thank you very much, Om, for sharing such important facts with us. Dear friends, it's important to encourage ourselves to look beyond our textual knowledge and to establish a relationship between theory and application of the learned concepts. Quizzes improves our critical thinking, get us into a habit of innovative learning and help us to see what we already know or have learned. So let's check our knowledge through the next, and that is a quiz based on pair of linear equations and two variables. For this, I would like to invite Aditiba on the dais. After the quiz, thank you very much, Aditiba, for enhancing and testing our knowledge. We are standing here together, and our morning assembly is to develop feeling of unity and a positive school culture among us. This gathering together strengthens the way we work. There would be no perfect place than this place to show our talents. And next, I would like to invite Vaidehi to present a song dedicated to our great leaders. And it was wonderful. Thank you very much, Vaidehi. And now today's assembly is over. Thank you to all of you for your cooperation. Have a nice day ahead.